Okay, so I am going to show you how to use Padlet. So I created this Padlet. It says tape diagram period 1, just as a sample. And this is the question. So you see a tape diagram. It's kind of small, but it's also, you can see that it has a tape diagram with 6 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 boxes. And in each box, you see x minus 1/2. And the total is 4 and 1/2. So you can definitely choose to convert these to decimal. So instead of 1/2, you are going to use 0.5. Instead of 4 and 1/2, you can use 4.5. So you are going to go ahead and add okay, wait, what happened? Remove this thing. So you're going to go ahead and add from the pencil. You click and then you can add a post. So in this post, so let's say if I'm adding a post here, I can go ahead and click on the 3 dots. I can use a drawing. I can use camera, and I can use an upload. So I can upload something from my computer. If I have taken a picture already of my work, I can upload that picture. Or if it's another picture, or if it's a document, I can upload that. I can use the camera, which I'm going to show you. I used this feature already. I can use the video recorder. I've used this one also, and I'm going to show that to you. And I've used drawing. So here, I want you to focus on either using drawing, a camera, a video recorder, or an upload. So for instance, this one is a drawing entry. So I said my name on the top, this is Simonian, this is a drawing entry. So I can go ahead and edit that if I click on that pencil, or I can get rid of it if I click on the X mark, it's going to, or the trash icon, it's going to get rid of it. And when I'm done, I'm just going to click outside and it's going to capture that for me. So I solved this. I used the drawing feature and I solved this problem. And you can see I can use different colors. I used purple to solve it, and then I used blue and red to do some additional drawing. I can also solve it on my whiteboard. I used my whiteboard and I solved it on my whiteboard, and I hold the whiteboard in front of the camera. You can see that I'm holding it in front of the camera, so I would be using the camera option. So just make sure that you center it right in front of the camera so it captures the whole thing. You don't have to be in the picture. I want it to be in the picture. You can only capture the work. This one is a video recording. This one is not. This one I wanted to upload, and I just had this picture, Natalie's work from period 1 that I did a screenshot from Nearpod. I just wanted to play with uploading a picture, but I didn't have a picture of this problem. So I just did this upload just as a sample. And this one is a video. So this one, I used a video entry, and I recorded myself showing how to basically solve this problem. I can play the video. Here it's going to play for you. Okay, I'm going to show how I solved this problem. So I distributed the 6 in, you can see that, to both sides, which is going to cancel this 3. So it's a 47-second video, so you can definitely use that as well.